My name's Sonia and I'm from Little Learners Belfast in North Down. And this is my little learner, Evan. You want to say hello? Want to say hello? He's got a bit of a cold, a wee bit snuffly and a bit out of sorts, so excuse if there's any tears. So we're just going to do this morning really simple activity. Look, there's me and you on the TV. Look, there's me and you. We're going to do very simple activity. We're going to do some wreath making. Oh, I know you don't want to be in there. You don't want to get to a wee second, wee man. So very simple, 2 activities. One using paint and one just using pieces of coloured green paper. So I will. Yes, wee man, I know. We're going to do it now. So the first one, I quickly did this earlier, very quickly. So this is what we're going to make. Oh, bits of glitter everywhere. You can see that. Okay, so we're going to I'm just going to show you how to do that. That's one I made earlier. Yours will probably look better than mine. Mine's just a quick jobby while the wee man was sleeping this morning there. Okay, so we will need for this just any paper plate, and what you're going to do is just cut a hole out in the middle. So I've done this earlier as well, so just really simple, quick, doesn't have to be perfect, just rough. The kiddies can even do this one too if you've got some child-friendly scissors. It doesn't have to be perfect circle. And then we're going to stick some of this paper around the side, so I'm just going to show you how to do this one quickly. So you'll just fold over, you'll have cut up your sheets of strips of paper. Any colour, you can get creative and you can use gold, you can use red. Oh wee man, you want to be involved? Let me get a tissue for your nose. Oh, come here. I know. Let me get you a toy. Sorry. This is what happens when you try to do things with kiddies. Everybody knows what it's like. Yes, we do. Look at you, Sophie. Hello, Evan. Right. So this one then, you can use just Pritt stick, and what you're going to do then is just really just glue some of the paper around the sides. As I said, it's very simple, very easy. If you use the side that's doesn't matter which side actually, because whatever. So we're going to just do a couple just so you get the general idea. This is a good one for the older kiddies, to get them to cut strips of paper, to get them to use the glue, and it's really good for folding over as well, getting them to practice folding over paper evenly, so that you've got it folded over evenly. I didn't get a chance to do this, my older daughter's 5, didn't get a chance to do this with her, but she will love this to do it later, so I'll have to do it with her, because when she sees that one that I've made, she'll be a bit annoyed that she didn't get doing it, so we'll do it later. So just a couple of bits I'm just going to show you, and then you get the general idea on how it looks. As I say, very simple. These are all things, if you're anyway crafty, or even if you're not crafty at all, like paper plates everybody has in the house, and just coloured paper or coloured card. You could even get the little ones if you don't have green paper or card. What you could do is you could, if you've got crayons, which would actually be a nice touch, you could get them to practice their mark making on a piece of white paper, a blank piece of paper, with some green crayons, and just get them to colour in lots all over the paper, and then you could just cut the strips, and then that would be actually a nice touch. Might actually get to do that later as well. So this is just the general idea what you're going to do the whole way around, and then you'll snip with your scissors. You'll just snip the ends just to give it that pattern. Okay, so I'll not spend too much time on that one because it's quite straightforward. Okay, our next one, this is good for the babies. so I'm going to get Evan down to do this one. You going to do some painting? Yeah, we're going to do some painting. Evan's just recently been coming to my classes in Northern Ireland. We're working into another lockdown here in, it's today Thursday, I'm all mixed up on my days, tonight. So my classes are postponed, but my classes have been operating the past couple of weeks, and he's been coming and he's been absolutely loving it, getting stuck into all the messy play. So Evan's 11 months old, so he's really starting to enjoy it now, which is great, because my older daughter's at school, and it gives him the chance then to come along to my class and get stuck in and have a bit of messy fun. So we are going to do some painting. So with this, I didn't actually do a here's what I made earlier. I didn't have time. So this one is very simple as well. What you need is a piece of sort of card or thick paper. You can even just use ordinary A4. I cut this out, a big sheet of card, and I cut this out. And then if you want to play with a paper plate, you play with it. There you go. And I just traced around an ordinary sort of small dinner size plate with pencil. You can't really see it on this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get the paint, a green paint for this. We love a bit of green paint at Christmas. So we've got green paint, and we are going to use for this, we've got just an ordinary fish brush. We use loads of these at class. They're great mark making tools. Even if you've got them in the house, you could just give them the little ones and a bit of flour or anything in the house and just let them do a bit of mark making with this. This is really good. I have these also, we like paint stampers, one of those. And then we've also got a sponge. So you can use anything you have. Oh my goodness, you're eating a paper plate. Give us that. He actually eats everything goes in the mouth. Doesn't it, wee man? Everything. So do you want to help Mummy? Do you want to help Mummy? So what the idea is just to stomp with a brush in a circle and make a wreath. Oh, so we're going to do that now, aren't we, wee man? Right, I'm going to put the paint on the brush. Now, how did you get paint on you already and you haven't even done any? You're touching that. Mummy will do some to show everyone at home. Some. You want to try? Oh, you're going to rub it off, aren't you? Let's put Sophie away because she's going to get covered in paint. Yep, you want to do it? Let me see. Stamp. How's that, Evan? Is that good? Let me see. We'll do it again. Yeah, you grab it. Well done. Now let's just try and get it over here. This is a bit difficult. Let's go stump. I think we need more paint for this one. Stump. You're pushing me away. Right, let me show everybody at home what this looks like, okay? And I'll give you a bit here. Yeah. Where do you say? You want to paint for that? There. No, not in the mouth, wee man. Everything's in the mouth. Here, take that. Don't be putting holes in that. Right, I'll just quickly show everybody, really quickly. Don't be putting holes. He's going to put holes in everything. So just general idea. Okay? Very simple. Easy to do. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's your wreath. The little ones can just do whatever they want with it. Oh, he's on the move. What's he find? Oh, no. Oh, no. So we'll move over and we'll finish this one. And we'll do some decorating. As you can tell, into everything. Typical baby. Oh, gonna grab everything here. Right, let me see. Wait, did we see? We're gonna do some hand painting too. Yes, we'll do that. Why not? So you could do a wreath with hand prints the whole way around. So I'm going to attempt this with Evan. Wish me luck. So we're going to put your hands in the paint, wee man. We're going to put your hands in the paint. There, hand in the paint. Oh wow, look at that. Right, and we're going to put it on the paper. Oh, look at that. lovely. Oh, you don't really like that. Will we try it up this way? No. Okay, it's sort of working. Right. Got your hand. There we go. Right, I'm gonna put you back in the little chair. Okay, I'm gonna wipe your hands. These nice green hands now. Okay, put you back in the chair. Let's see. I'm gonna play with Sophie again. There we go. Oh, Sophie's covered in green paint. Oh, we'll need to give everybody a good clean later. Okay. So I'll show you that one. Sort of handprints. It's okay. So what we'll do then is, with this one, we can, once we've done a bit of stomping, we've made the wreath. Let's see what this one looks like actually. So we can do some decorating. I was going to get Evan to do this, but just use some red paint and use your fingers. This is a really good fine motor as well. Just a wee bit of finger painting. Just do some dots all on the wreath, whatever colours you want. Doesn't have to be red. If you've got some nice gold paint, you could use gold or whatever you have in the house. Okay, and then what we're going to do is, everybody should have these in the house. Just ordinary bows, ordinary porcelain, or gift bows. I was looking for the word there, gift bows. Excuse me, I've hardly had any sleep last night. As I say, the wee man hasn't been well, so I was up quite a bit, running on empty energy this morning. So, right, gonna stick a bow on. Oh, you've found the paper plate now. You can't eat that, wee man. Thank you. Ta-ta. Right. Okay, so this is our little wreath that we've made. Oh, stand back. You can see. Alright, you keep tilting it the other way. The camera's. Oh, I think I'm getting the general idea there of what it should look like. Okay, so you can just get really creative. So, gonna say bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed today. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Take care, everybody, and stay safe. Evan, say bye-bye. Oh, he's too busy chewing on Sophie. Okay, yes, that's your bye-bye. Okay, bye everyone. Keep safe. Thank you. Bye.